Hi. Here I am trying to explain how to add path of this GTK wave to the environment variable. First go to the Icarus Verilog, then go to the GTK wave, then go to the bin. And I have to take this path, copy it and paste at the environment variable so that it can be recognized as a system variable. So I go here to the path and Control C by copying, and then I go to the search bar for searching of environment variables. Edit environment variables for and environment variables, and then go to the environment variables, then go to the path and by double clicking create on new, and by Control V, that is paste on this. I've already pasted, so I remove it. Then again go to the system variable path and again here new, then Control V, and by pasting it, I already pasted, so I remove it, and then by clicking OK, then OK, and then cut this command prompt and again open it. CMD and then GTK wave. Now it will recognize a GTK wave analyzer V3.3.108, and now you can perform all the GTK wave actions like opening file or etc. Let's search as an example. Verilog. So now go to the GTK wave and that I have named in the TV file, test-bench file, and that file is VCD. Here is some mirror abcd.vcd. ABCD. Yeah, now here VCD info dump file abcd.vcd open for output. Then go for GTK wave, abcd.vcd. Now it is open. And now click on here and go for wire. Then res TW, then TX, TY, TZ. All 4-5 waveforms are created. That's all.